Okay.
Mr. Speaker, quickly, the point as I hear from the question and the response, it has not been answered. Minister says that he was involved elsewhere, or he was engaged elsewhere in official capacities. Now, this is the gist of the question. As I understand it, the member seems to suggest that these were children in Olympic sports. Children, very special in this country, children. Number two, there are people abled differently. Why should these two signals wouldn't have forced the cabinet secretary to prioritize that? One, you are dealing with children. Two, you are dealing with exemplary performance. They are in Olympic. Three, they are people abled differently. You are able to go to rugbies. You are able to go to those people who are running very fast, but you cannot prioritize just children in Olympics. Number two, you are engaged in official capacities. We don't dispute that. I read in social media, which I'm trying to keep abreast with, it is too fast for me, but I read in the social media that this minister chose to go to fine destinations overseas, dining in fine restaurants, using calamari, I do not know what calamari is, and fine wine called Cavalia, with what some of the things that even as a member, I'm not able to pronounce. Now, Mr. Speaker, this is the point. That you choose to prioritize your engagement, official engagement, when issues which should have demanded your presence, official presence, because all the responses he has been given is that that his personnel were with him, there was a PS, there was all this, including Her Excellency, the Second Lady. The point is, why as CS wouldn't he found it necessary to be there himself where children are concerned, where people able differently are concerned? Mr. Chair, thank you.
Let's take one more.